ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಅಶೋಕ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನ 2025 ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸಿಎಂ ಡಿಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನವು 3 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದೇಶಿ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಆಗಮಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಶೃಂಗಸಭೆ 2025 ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಪಡೆ ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಗೆ ಮಾದರಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ರೂಪಿಸುವಂತಹ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Bengaluru Skill Summit 2025 is Karnataka's annual flagship event to position the state as a global hub for workforce innovation and skilling excellence. The event is hosted by Karnataka Skill Development Corporation, of course in association with Karnataka Skill Development Authority, and the knowledge partner for this summit is Karnataka Digital Economy. More than 3,000 plus delegates will be taking part from industry and academia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the summit focuses on emerging tech. India's workforce is prepared for the jobs of the...
Germany and India have agreed on a migration and mobility partnership which has facilitated substantial collaboration between our two countries. To put things into perspective, all in all, we are looking at 3 lakh Indians in Germany at this very moment. Among them are currently 60,000 students, making them the largest international student groups there. As of February last year,
the Bengaluru Skill Summit gathering that truly embodies the spirits of new, confident and capable Karnataka. At the heart of this Bengaluru Skill Summit lies a simple but profound idea that the real wealth of nation is not in its natural resources but in the capabilities of its people. As Mahatma Gandhi once said, the future depends on what we do in the present. This summit is about shaping that very future by empowering our people with the skills to dream, to innovate and to lead. Karnataka today stands at a unique demographic crossroads. Our 60% of our population is below the age of 35 and nearly 1.2 crore young people will enter the workforce in the next decade. This is an extraordinary opportunity if we equip this generation with the right skills, mindset and confidence.
Shan Prakash Patil, who is leading this great initiative for the country. Mr. Shan Praspa Dashnapur, who is the Minister for Small Scale Industries. Mr. Mohammad Iza, who has come from the Republic, who guided us about his country. From Mauritius, Honorable Parliament Member, Mr. Educationist and our Council Member, Mr. Manjunath Bandari, Ashish Gupta, Ramana Reddy, who is for showing confidence in us to come this city. This is a city with great vibration, with intellectual, whatever you tell. Shown in this entire country. Also look, Karnataka and Bangalore. India is seen through Bangalore. This is what the great strength of this city is. I think more than 2,000 of you are here from different parts of the country and the world. I think some of our friends spoke on what we are. Today, on behalf of the state of Karnataka, I would like to tell you, we are open for discussion. We are open for collaboration. We are open for knowledge sharing. And this is what we want to work. As you saw from the video of from a gentleman, we are collaborating. Our institutions are with them. From the Danish government in the 70s and of the 80s with the German institutions. We have already joined hands with them. We are working with them. That has started the success story with us. As you all know, as one of Mr. I think Gupta's son, I think he was Gupta, 1.6 lakh engineers every year who are being coming out of the engineering colleges.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.